Alright, Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Sarah doing supremely simple subtraction, which is bigger, right?
Yeah.
So 265,432 minus 96,756. Go!
Okay.
And always the question is, do you have enough, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what do they need to be a 10? Okay, good.
Kept the pen for a sec.
Okay. Is it 7?
Oh.
So here's what you need to do. You need to keep track every time you borrow. So you may need to cross it out so you remember that it's one less. You know what I mean? Because look, over here you didn't have enough, so you had to take it out of there, right? So that's actually a 2 now, right? And then again you didn't have enough, so you have to take it out of there. So there's no way it can be a 7. So what is that? So your compunction for not, right? Because now you're 3 and the 3 is 6. There you go. Now again, is that you don't have enough? So where did you take it out of? There you go. There you go. Let's see if you got them right.
Cross all 2?
I don't know. You tell me. Did you have enough there?
No.
Okay. So then you had to cross. You had to take it out of there. That's what you're doing. There you go. Give me a comma. Where does it go? 168. Right? Okay, so now here's the trick. We got to be able to add these two numbers together and get this number, right? Okay, so here's what we did. Didn't have enough, so we added 4 to 2 to get 6. So basically we were taking one out of here, right? We're using that one, that 10. Okay, so then we didn't have enough, so we added the 5 to the 2 and got 7. Didn't have enough, so we added the 3 to the 3 and got 6. Still didn't have enough. It's in each time. So then I have 4 added to the 4 to get 8. And we had to take it out of there. So then I take 1 and add it to the 5 and get 6. And then that's where I took it out of the last one, and she didn't cross that one out because you knew, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So then we could add and go back the other way, either way we want to go. And if I add going this way, I get that. And if I add going this way, we get that, right? 6 and 6 is 12, carry 1, right? Because there's a 10 there.
Mm-hmm.
And I get 1. So then let's see here. 7 and 5 is 12, but that 1 makes 3. Carry another 1, right? Mm-hmm. Are we ever going to carry more than 1? Are we ever going to carry 2 when we're just adding 2 numbers together? No. Okay, good. So then I have 6 and the 7 is 13, but I carried the 1, so I got 14. And then I got 6 and the 8 is 14, but I have the 1, so now I got 15. And then I'm just, right, each time I'm carrying 1. And then 6 and 9 is 15, but I had the 1 that I carried, so I got 6. And then I carry 1, and 1 and 1 is 2. Anything hard about this? Big numbers, no big deal, right?
Mm-mm.
Little kids can do this too.
Yeah.
Yep. Was it pretty easy?
Yeah.
Kind of fun? Actually kind of fun when you do it. Okay, now we're going to do a couple where it's not every single, because I don't want her to get in the habit of every single time crossing out, right?
No.
So now I'm going to do ones where you got to think a little bit, okay? Alright, so we'll come back for that one. Alright, so new problem. What do we have there? 328,645 minus 126,987. Here we go. Don't forget to cross if you need to, so you remember. Sarah's handicapped in this case because she doesn't like to mix the ink, mix the colors. Did you have to borrow?
Huh?
You had to borrow. You didn't have enough, right? Didn't have enough, didn't have enough, didn't have enough. Okay. So did you have enough that time? No. So you got to borrow that one. Out of that. You had borrowed out of that one. Yeah, there you go. Right? Yeah, see? Did you have to... did you have enough?
Yes.
Okay, so why did you borrow then? Yeah. So 2. You didn't have to borrow out of there because you had, right? Because you had 7, you had enough. See, that's what I mean. You got to do some thinking. You don't just do the same thing over and over again, right? That's why. That's exactly why we did that. Right? So you don't just get in the habit of just cross every single time. You got to think. Here we had enough. You had 7. 7 minus 6 was the 1. Didn't have to take anything out of that. Right? Yeah, gotcha. Okay. Let's try another. Actually, you know what? Enough. Crewton Ramone's House of Math. That's the 2 examples for doing big subtraction. Okay. Working with Sarah here. Wait. Give us a big smile. Okay. There you go.